Fix Xbox Game Pass games not installing or updating error Ox80070005 on Xbox app or Microsoft Store on PC. Let's see how to solve it. First, restart your PC, then update Windows. For that, go to Settings, then click on Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. After that, run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For that, go to Settings, then click on System, then click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. After that, click on Windows Store app and click on Run. After this, reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. For that, go to Settings, then click on Apps, then click Installed Apps. In Installed Apps, search Xbox, then click on Advanced option, then click Reset. After that, search Microsoft Store, click on Advanced option, then click Reset. After that, clear store cache. Press Windows plus R, then type wsreset.exe this command and press enter. Then run system repair command in cmd admin. For that, in admin, write these commands: sfc/scannow and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. After that, fix permission issues using PowerShell admin. In admin, write this command and press enter. After this, reinstall gaming services using PowerShell admin. Get package. Write this command in the admin. I had already made the videos for you to how to open admin. You can check out there. Then after this, sign out and sign back in from Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Ensure correct install drive. Go to settings, then click on system, then click storage. After that, click on advanced storage settings, then click where new content is saved. These are the other two steps which are optional. You don't need to do this. Still, if you want, you can pause the video, read and do the steps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.